In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Adobe Reader for Windows 7. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to pick the right options so you get the correct installer straight from Adobe. Start by opening any web browser you're comfortable with on your Windows 7 PC. In the search bar, type Adobe Reader for Windows 7 and press Enter. You'll see several results, but it's important to choose the official Adobe link. Look for the result that comes from Adobe's own website. Avoid third-party download sites since they can bundle extra software or provide outdated files. Once you're on Adobe's Acrobat Reader page, don't rush the big default download button yet. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and find the link that says More Download Options. This section lets you choose the exact operating system, language, and version, which is helpful for Windows 7 compatibility. Click More Download Options. On the next screen, open the drop-down labeled Select an Operating System. From the list, choose Windows 7. If you see options related to 32-bit or 64-bit, pick the one that matches your system. If you're not sure, most older Windows 7 machines are 64-bit, but select what your PC actually uses. Next, open the drop-down called Select a Language and choose your preferred language for the application interface. Then, open Select a Version. Here, pick a version that supports Windows 7. When in doubt, choose the most recent version listed for Windows 7 on that page, as it's typically the most secure and stable option made available for that operating system. After you've confirmed the operating system, language, and version, click Download Acrobat Reader. Before the download begins, you may see optional offers for additional tools or security add-ons. These are not required for Adobe Reader to work. Feel free to deselect anything you don't need, then proceed. Your browser should now start downloading the installer file. If you're prompted to save the file, choose a location you can easily find, like your Downloads folder. It's normal for your browser to show a brief security check. As long as you initiated the download from the official Adobe page, you can allow it to proceed. If the download doesn't start, try refreshing the page or using a different browser. That's it. Your Adobe Reader installer for Windows 7 is now on your computer. When you're ready, you can open the installer to complete setup. Keep in mind that Windows 7 is no longer supported by Microsoft, so always use trusted sources and keep your software as up to date as your system allows.